Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the iQOO Z5 for about 20,490 rupees. Yes friends, right now you can actually get this kind of device for about 20,490 rupees in the Amazon during this Amazon sale which is going on at this moment. And few of the users actually plan to buy the iQOO Z5 but they want to know how to get this kind of lowest price as possible. That's what this video is about. So I'll try to explain exactly how you can actually get this phone for about low as possible 20,490. So now once you click on the iQOO Z5 offer, you will be getting this kind of page where you can actually get the actual price 23,990, right? But there will be 1,500 rupees coupon which will be applicable for all the users. You can just need to click on this one, and once you click it will be getting activated. So now the total price will come down to 23,990 minus 1,500 rupees coupon, so we are getting 22,490 rupees. So 22,490 rupees is the price of this iQOO Z5 at this moment. But if you have the different card, let me show you. ICICI credit card, as you can see friends, exactly if you have the ICICI credit card, you can actually get flat 2,000 rupees instant discount. So 2,000 rupees friends, so total we are getting about 20,490 rupees right now for the iQOO Z5 device you can actually get. So total we are getting 3,500 rupees discount during this Amazon sale, which is really pretty good deal I would say for this kind of 8GB RAM variant version. This is a 8GB RAM variant friends, so try to remember 8GB RAM and 5,000 mAh of battery capacity you are getting in this kind of price, which is 20,490 rupees for this iQOO Z5 device. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this particular thing. Are you interested to buy this device or not? In case if you are interested, I'll try to do the in-depth review on this iQOO Z5 after using for a long time. Then you can actually discuss more details what is happening. But for this kind of price, it seems to be kind of really working out in this device. Everything seems to be kind of good in this phone, so except the display which is IPS LCD panel. Apart from that, there's nothing much major complaints regarding the iQOO Z5 device at this moment. So for this 20,490 rupees, it's definitely friends, it's really good deal I would say. So good performance, not that heating problems in this device, and little bit kind of slow charging, 44 watts only, not 55 watts, but still. So I'm gonna be back with a full review friends on the iQOO Z5 device very soon, so stay tuned for those videos. But in this way you'll be able to buy this device for about 20,490. So 1,500 rupees coupon and 2,000 rupees using ICICI bank credit cards only. So that's it friends, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.